So good morning, guys. So today is the second day of my joining at Motilal Oswal as an intern. So today we are going to get our ID cards, I guess. So in the early morning, they asked us about name as well as the blood group. For now, let's see what happens next. Stay tuned. As I said yesterday, yesterday was the second day, today is the third day, and it means today has completed. But we didn't yet start working. Our onboarding has been taking a long time. That's why it is getting a little bit late. So today is the third day. I will be doing work as an intern. Hopefully from today completely work will be handled to us, like whatever intern works will be there. So stay tuned. And this is morning, that's why I am looking like this. Okay, bye guys, take care.